When it comes down to it, all success is dependent on a good strategy. Even the best tactics will fail if they're not properly resourced or if they're pointed in the wrong direction. Today, we're going to up-level the conversation to CMOs and marketing leaders and those who aspire to that role. Hi, I'm Matt LeBaron. Welcome to another Workshop Wednesday where we tear down digital marketing problems and build out real-world solutions. Last week, we talked about zombie content, how to find it, kill it, and make sure you're not spawning more. Doing this can really help your efforts, but the true prerequisite for marketing success is to align your efforts with corporate goals. This is never truer than when determining your target ROI. Some companies, especially early stage ones, are willing to spend at a loss in order to gain market share. This is especially true here in Silicon Valley, where we see companies blowing through tons of money, betting that by getting rapid market share growth now, it will pay off in the long run. Companies further along the growth ramp may target break-even profitability, seeking to maximize scale while avoiding losses. Finally, there are those companies, usually mature with significant market share, that are focused solely on profit. They look into their marketing efforts and they strip away any effort that's bringing losses to them. In essence, the foundation of any great marketing strategy is alignment with corporate goals, especially profitability targets. Now, the exact success metrics vary from business to business. However, they often include terms such as CAC, AOV, CPL, or LTV. It's critical that the exact success metrics be determined before a given marketing campaign begins and communicated broadly to the teams involved. Another important part of measuring success is setting the right granularity for your reporting. And in that regard, averages are evil. I constantly see even experienced marketers reporting average numbers, using channels and tactics that are successful to subsidize those that are not. This is absolutely rampant in search, where brand terms are used to subsidize non-brand terms. At the very least, all search marketing teams need to break out brand and non-brand terms. And really, you should be going even deeper than that, using ad groups or keyword clusters to navigate your way through the fog of averages. With an understanding of corporate profitability goals and your success metrics, now it's time to understand your target audience, your future customers. Many marketing teams build out detailed personas about their customer, how they feel and view the problems that your solution solves, when they think about it, where they congregate, and if they're actively seeking a solution for the problem. That last bit about actively searching for solutions is especially important. With new markets and newly emerging categories, businesses have to spend considerable sums building awareness and generating demand. Years ago, I was brought in to help a company that was way ahead of their time. They were building and marketing AI chatbots, virtual assistants, before such a thing had ever been heard of. Now, they wanted search to be a part of their marketing mix, and it should be, don't get me wrong. But no one was searching for it then, and they're actually not really searching for it now either. So it could be a part of the mix, but it certainly wasn't going to be the major driver of customer acquisition. In environments like this, without a strong search demand, search marketing can still play a role, but it's going to be more limited and focused on the brand and other very specific terms that are actually in use. However, it's in mature markets where consumers truly understand the problems and solutions that are out there and are searching for solutions where search marketing should be a big part of your marketing mix. Marketers will want to target brand, product, the category, problem statements, solution statements, competitive keywords, reviews, and even tangential keywords. Next week, we'll continue this line of thinking by answering one of the questions I hear most frequently. How much should I invest in paid search versus organic? Got some thoughts on the subject? Be sure to shoot them down in the comments below. That's it for this episode. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button. And if you want to see more content like this, hit subscribe. Thanks for watching, and be sure to join us next week on Workshop Wednesday. We should have that shot in. There we go. The back of Steve's head. I want to see it flashing. Back of Steve's head cam. Be sure to hit subscribe. Be sure to join us next time, puny creature. So I'm paranoid about this other one. I haven't watched it. Like, I just wear it while shooting and then take it off and hang it back up again. So it's not recording that, is it? Oh my Lord, Steve!